To fix the black screen appearing on your iPhone, here are the steps for this. So you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The best way you can do is that you may simply force restart your iPhone. So to restart it, you just need to click on the volume down button and power button at the very same time, and you will be taken into this page. So from here you will see the option of slide to power off your phone. So simply slide it. This means that you will restart your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, you just need to open your phone and check if the black screen has gone or not. So if the black screen has not gone, then the battery may also be dead. So you just need to charge your phone for 30 minutes or 40 minutes. So plug in the original iPhone charger. Just have to leave your phone for 30 to 40 minutes and try opening it again. After that, you just need to check if your phone is on but the screen is black. So try to make a call from one of the device and see if your phone rings. So if the phone rings, then the screen is faulty. There will be issue on the display. The next thing which you can do to fix is that you just need to open settings on your iPhone, and from here you just need to click on the option of general, and on the general you will see the option of software update. So click on it. So on the software update, if there is any kind of update available, simply update it to the latest version available. So if you are not updated your phone, then that may also be the reason that you are getting black screen on your iPhone. So make sure to update it to the latest version available. So after that, if it is still not working, then there may be the issue on your display, or your display may be gone. So you just need to take your phone to the nearest shop where you can repair your display. So that's it. That's how you can fix the black screen issue on iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.